Simple mobile apps have made millions. Hey there, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mobile apps that defied expectations and turned simplicity into millions. You won't find rocket science here, just simple ideas that hit the sweet spot with users and made their creators a fortune. Doodle Jump. Our journey now bounces into the gaming sphere with Doodle Jump, a simple yet addictive game that captured the hearts of mobile users. Picture a quirky character bouncing endlessly on platforms, trying to reach new heights. Doodle Jump's charm lay in its simplicity and endless replayability, making it a favorite among casual gamers. Imagine bouncing on platforms, aiming for the skies. That's the whimsical joy of Doodle Jump. The game's straightforward premise resonated with users looking for a quick, enjoyable gaming experience. Candy Crush Saga. Our exploration of simple yet lucrative mobile apps takes a sweet turn with Candy Crush Saga. This colorful puzzle game swept through the mobile gaming landscape, inviting players to match candies in clear levels. Its straightforward gameplay, combined with cleverly designed challenges, made it a global phenomenon and a cash cow for its developers. Picture a world filled with candy and puzzles. That's the enchanting universe of Candy Crush Saga. The game's simplicity is its brilliance. Players match colorful candies, clear levels, and progress through a sugary adventure. It didn't rely on complicated narratives or intricate controls. Instead, it hooked players with its easy-to-understand mechanics and progressively challenging levels. Snapchat. Our journey through the mobile app marvels continues with Snapchat, a platform that redefined how we share moments. Snapchat's appeal lies in its simplicity. Users can send photos and short videos that disappear after being viewed. Its ephemeral nature turned sharing into a more authentic and in-the-moment experience, attracting a massive user base. Imagine a world where your photos and videos have a limited lifespan, making each moment more precious. That's the allure of Snapchat. The app simplified the concept of sharing by embracing impermanence. Users could send snapshots of their lives without the pressure of creating a permanent online presence. This simplicity resonated with a younger audience seeking authenticity in their digital interactions. Snapchat's success demonstrated that sometimes a fleeting moment can leave a lasting impact. Uber. Our exploration now shifts gears to the realm of transportation with Uber, an app that revolutionized how we move from point A to B. Uber's brilliance lies in its simplicity. Users can request a ride with a tap on their phones, eliminating the need for traditional taxi hailing. This straightforward concept disrupted the transportation industry globally. Imagine a world where getting a ride is as easy as tapping your phone. That's the convenience of Uber. The app simplified the process of transportation by connecting riders with drivers seamlessly. No more waving down taxes on the street. A few taps and your ride arrives. Uber's success showcased that transforming an entire industry could be as simple as making transportation accessible at the touch of a button. Shazam. Our melodic journey takes a turn with Shazam, an app that lets users identify songs by simply listening to a snippet. No need for complicated searches or extensive lyrics knowledge. Just a tap, and Shazam unveils the magic behind the music. Its simplicity turned it into an essential tool for music lovers worldwide. Envision a world where discovering the name of a song is as easy as holding up your phone. Shazam made that a reality. The app's simplicity is its superpower. Users can identify songs in seconds by letting Shazam listen to a snippet. It removed the frustration of not knowing the title or artist, offering a magical solution for music enthusiasts. Shazam's success demonstrated that a simple idea could bring joy to millions of music lovers. Instagram. Our next stop takes us to the visually appealing realm of Instagram. In a world saturated with complex social media platforms, Instagram stood out by keeping things visual and simple. It allowed users to share photos and short videos, applying creative filters to enhance their visual appeal. Facebook recognized its potential and acquired it for a cool $1 billion. Envision a world where sharing moments is as easy as snapping a photo. Instagram turned the concept of social media on its head by focusing on the power of visuals. Whether it's a breathtaking landscape, a delicious meal, or a candid selfie, Instagram made it a breeze to share life's moments with a global audience. The app's simplicity, combined with its emphasis on visual storytelling, catapulted it into the echelons of social media royalty. TikTok. Our final destination in the world of simple yet impactful apps is TikTok. This short-form video platform became a global sensation by allowing users to create and share brief, entertaining clips. Its straightforward interface and emphasis on creativity turned it into a cultural phenomenon, especially among younger audiences. Imagine a platform where creativity thrives in bite-sized videos, and everyone has a chance to shine. That's the allure of TikTok. The app simplified the process of content creation, offering users a canvas to showcase their talent, humor, and creativity in short, engaging clips. Its user-friendly interface and the ability to go viral with a single video turned TikTok into a social media powerhouse, proving that sometimes all you need is a short moment to make a lasting impression. WhatsApp. Next on our journey is the app that revolutionized communication, WhatsApp. In a world cluttered with complicated messaging platforms, WhatsApp stood out for its simplicity. It allowed users to send text messages, photos, and videos with ease. No frills, just a straightforward way to stay connected. It became so popular that Facebook acquired it for a whopping $19 billion. Imagine a world where sending a message is as easy as pie. That's the magic of WhatsApp. It didn't bombard users with unnecessary features. Instead, it focused on what people wanted: a reliable, easy-to-use messaging app. WhatsApp became the go-to platform for staying in touch, whether it's a quick text, a voice note, or a video call. Its simplicity turned it into a communication giant, showcasing that sometimes less is indeed more. Flappy Bird. Our last stop is the pixelated skies of Flappy Bird, a game that took the world by storm. Imagine a tiny bird navigating through a series of pipes. Simple, right? That's the beauty of it. Flappy Bird's charm lay in its easy gameplay and addictive nature. Despite its straightforward concept, it became a global sensation, racking up millions of downloads and generating a hefty income for its creator, Dong Nguyen. Picture this: you're tapping your screen, guiding a quirky bird through a maze of pipes. What started as a casual game quickly became a cultural phenomenon. The simplicity of Flappy Bird was its secret sauce. People loved the challenge, the frustration, and the satisfaction of beating their own high scores. Dong Nguyen, the mastermind behind Flappy Bird, struck gold by creating a game that resonated with the universal desire for a quick, entertaining challenge. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.